afternoon guys, namaste and welcome back to other vlog. So today's plan is that we are going to lighthouse. As yesterday there is a change of plan because I need to get on the double-decker bus. It was the launch of the new double-decker bus yesterday in the Chennai, so I need to change my plans yesterday. So now we are going to the lighthouse first, and then we'll go Sri Ramakrishna Mutt, and then we'll go for Kapaleshwara temple which belongs to Lord Shiva. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. So guys, we have reached the lighthouse. As you can see the lighthouse, you can see some crowd over there. People are standing there. Yeah, over there. So we are going on the top of it now. So this place is a spiritual organization which was founded by Ramakrishna in 1836. This mutt in Chennai is the first branch center of Ramakrishna order in South India. This place was mainly created for one's own salvation and for the welfare of the world. So if you want to have a good time for yourself, you can go to this place, and I'm sure you're going to love it. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and which was built in 7th century. They say that original temple structure is destroyed by Portuguese in 16th century. Later they have reconstructed it. Overall, the architecture in this temple is good, and I like how the gopuram is made with numerous statues. So if you're having time, even this is also a good place to go, and it is calm, very lit place. So if you are interested, you can go and spend time. Hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you. Bye bye. Take care.